Since its introduction to Europe in 2011, the Vision 110 has garnered a strong reputation for its classically Honda build quality, value for money and dependability. As a result, across Europe the bike has accumulated over 110,500 sales, with Spain, the United Kingdom, and Italy the top 3 purchasing nations. Its recipe for success is straightforward, designed from the outset to be simple, easy transport that embodies Honda quality and presence, with clean, elegant design that shares common design DNA with Honda, the larger SH family of scooters. A revised color palette for 26YM sees 1 new color and 2 revised combinations take to the lineup, keeping the Vision 110 fresh and up to date. Urban practicality comes in the form of the Vision 110's useful flat floor and plentiful 17.7-litre underseat storage volume, as well as smart key operation and a USB-C socket, which enables smartphone charging on the move, mechanically unchanged for 26YM. The Vision 110 remains powered by Honda's Euro 5 compliant 109 cubic centimeters enhanced smart power, ESP, 2-valve air-cooled, fuel-injected SOHC power plant.